Hello, I'm William Brable, your guide to the complexities of Florida family law. What we're going to talk about today is division of marital assets and liabilities. Whether you're talking about your house, a car, savings accounts, or division of marital debts is very crucial for you to understand exactly how things work. That's what we're going to talk about today. That way you can help best ensure that your rights and obligations. First things first, Florida operates under a so-called equitable distribution for dividing assets and debts during a divorce. Unlike community and property states, where assets are split 50-50, equitable distribution aims to divide marital assets and debts fairly, though not always equally. This means that the court looks at several factors to decide who gets what, ensuring a fair outcome based on each spouse's crucial to distinguish between marital assets and non-marital assets and debts. Marital assets include everything you and your spouse acquired during your marriage. For a property, joint accounts, regardless of whose name is on the title. Non-marital assets, however, are those brought into the marriage or received individually as a gift or inheritance. The same principles apply to debts. Understanding this distinction is the first step toward grasping how assets and debts. The court considers many factors when dividing assets and debts, such as length of the marriage, each spouse's economic circumstances, the contribution to the marriage, including care for children and homemaking. They also look at each spouse's future financial prospects. It's about creating a balanced approach that considers both parties' contributions and needs moving forward. Special considerations. For example, the family home is not just a financial asset, but a place of emotional significance. The court might decide to award the home to a parent with primary custody of the children to maintain stability in their lives. Retirement accounts also pose unique challenges as they may require a like domestic relations order to divide them without incurring penalties. Treated similarly to assets. Marital debts are those incurred during the marriage for the joint benefit and they are divided equitably. However, if one spouse racked up a debt without the other spouse's knowledge or for non-marital purposes, the court might decide that the debt solely belongs to that spouse. It's essential to provide clear evidence if you believe that certain debts should not be divided equally or not be shared. Navigating the division of assets and debts can be complex, involving negotiations and sometimes court proceedings. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of the financial situation. Document everything, from property values to debt statements. Consider mediation to reach an agreement outside of the court, which can save time, money, and having the role of legal assistance. Given the complexities involved, seeking legal assistance is invaluable in navigating the division of assets and debts. A knowledgeable family law attorney can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation, ensuring your rights are protected and avoiding advocating a fair All the division of assets and debts in Florida. Divorce may be daunting. Understand the basics of equitable distributions, the difference between marital and non-marital assets, and the factors the court considers can empower you to navigate this process more effectively. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated